What is the difference in migration between Thailand, Europe, and USA? Since the election in the USA, there has been a lot to talk about immigration. So, how different is immigration in Thailand from the USA? Let us talk about visa, permanent residency, citizenship, border runs, and a few other topics. Tourist visa. The USA is similar to Thailand in that there are certain countries that do not need a visa to travel to the USA. It is a similar visa waiver program that covers 42 countries. If you have this visa waiver, you can stay in the USA for up to 90 days and also apply for an extension. To compare, citizens from 92 countries can enter Thailand without a visa or stay for up to 60 days with an extension of 30 days. Overstaying your visa in Thailand is actually a pretty bad thing. If you get caught, you will be taken to a detention center until you can buy a ticket to leave Thailand. Then, also you have to pay a fine for each day you overstay in Thailand. Then, you are banned from Thailand for anywhere between 1 to 10 years. Then, it might be difficult for you to get a long-term visas in the future. You can generally overstay in the USA without any financial penalty. If you are not caught, then you could just stay there forever. However, when you leave or if you get caught, you could be deported and banned for re-entering the USA for 3 to 10 years, or in some cases, forever. Work permits. If you want to work permit in the USA, then you can be a spouse of a US citizen, start a business, offer a job there, or seek asylum. In Thailand, you can be offered a job, start a business, or marry to a Thai citizen. Permanent residency. After a certain amount of time in the USA, if you have a work permit or are married to a US citizen or come with a family, you can apply for a green card. In Thailand, you have to have a work permit and be paying tax for 3 consecutive years. Then you can apply for permanent residency. In Thailand, all countries can apply, but there is a quota for 100% per country and per year. You need to clearly speak the Thai language to apply. If you are the wife of a Thai male citizen, you can directly apply for citizenship without having a work permit or permanent residency. Citizenship. Finally, once you have permanent residence in both the USA and Thailand, you can apply for citizenship, typically after 3 years. Both countries are almost the same in this regard. A lot of people think that you cannot get citizenship in Thailand, but you can. Processing speed. How fast does Thailand and the USA take the process immigration documents? Thailand is very fast. Once you have the paperwork completed for tourist visa, it can take a day or 2, and for longer visas, might take up to 2 months maximum. The USA, however, can take months or years for certain kind of visa.